Hello everybody and welcome back to MelMii Food and Lifestyle. Today I will prepare with you one delicious miso pumpkin soup. You know it's autumn and it is truly pumpkin season. So let's try this delicious soup together. What makes this recipe so special and more festive is the fact that I've served it inside of one Hokkaido pumpkin. Look at this. For sure it wants to invite you to eat and enjoy it. Look at this creaminess. Perfect comfort food for cold autumn days. Let's make this soup together. Come with me.
I have 2 pumpkins for this. First, cut off the top and bottom and empty inside. This is for the bowl to serve the soup. Second pumpkin, prepare by cutting the top and bottom, then cut into quarters, remove the seeds and peel for the soup. For easier preparation, pop the whole pumpkin into oven for a few minutes to soften it up. It's better to cut the peel when the pumpkin is a little bit softer. Be careful, because when the pumpkin is not softer, it's very hard. Cut pumpkin into cubes and pop it into air fryer. Use lower temperature because it's better for the pumpkin not to dry too much. For the soup base, clean, peel and cut 1 white onion into smaller pieces. Use 1 whole garlic, about 7 to 8 cloves, adding amazing taste to the soup, and it's never too much of garlic. Spray the pan with olive oil and in medium heat fry onion and garlic and some fresh thyme. Give them nice golden color and add a little bit of water to soften the onions. Place the ready mixture in a pot and add water. Boil it about 10 to 15 minutes. Add miso paste. I used the dark one, but also light one is fine. Bring it to boil and add your roasted pumpkin. Bring it to boil again and add cream and boil about 15 to 20 minutes more until pumpkin is super soft. Season with salt. Remove it from heat and in the same pot blend it with hand blender. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture is very smooth and creamy. Final touch, season with salt, pepper and for extra creaminess, some butter. Mix it well until all the butter has melted inside. These freshly picked chanterelle mushrooms deserve to be on this soup. Fry them on a hot pan quickly with a little bit of olive oil and butter until crispy. Season with salt, pepper, and voila! For serving, take few scoops of soup and place it inside the hollow pumpkin. Look at that creaminess, oh my! On the top serve crispy chanterelle mushrooms, roasted pumpkin seed, and finish it up with some fresh thyme. Absolutely delicious! I tell you, this creamy texture is out of this world. Enjoy!
Dear friends, if you enjoy my content and like me to create some more healthy recipes, please do share this with your friends and family. And please put a like to my videos, subscribe ring the bell. Thank you. Bye.